I rewatched Dirty Dancing recently too. That's like that's a fun one, right? Ladies love that one, right? That's like lady porn, don't you? No, why? Yes, very sexy, right? I know it's a sexy movie because the first time I saw it, I was like 8. I get triggered by the movie. The first time I saw it, I was like 8 years old, and I watched it with my parents. And there's one really sexy scene where Patrick Swayze, he's like a hot guy, and he's like being all Swayze, and it's like raining. Remember this scene? It's raining, and he locks his keys in the car by accident. So he like kicks a fence post out of the ground, and he smashes the window of his own car. You guys remember that? And then he like leaves it, and unlocks the door. That's a sexy scene. I know that because the first time I saw it, during that scene, my mother went, And I remember thinking, something just happened to Mom, and I don't like it. I'm uncomfortable now. And I realized years later, it's because my mother got vocally horny next to whatever I did. She was like, yeah, fucking Swayze cock. My poor dad was like, I've never heard you make that noise. I'm like, I've never heard anybody make this noise. I felt so bad for my dad too, because now everyone knows my mom is into like Patrick Swayze. And I don't know if you guys can tell by looking at me, my dad is not looking an awful lot like Patrick Swayze. I got more of a Buscemi dad. I felt bad for my dad. I tried to hook him up. I was like, I locked the keys in the car on purpose. I'm like, yeah, you better get those keys out, eh, Mom? He's like, I'll call AAA. I was like, God damn it! Come on! Get that son of a gun. He was like clueless though. A few years later, he rented Point Break. Remember Point Break? That was like Keanu Reeves and Patrick Swayze surfing and robbing banks. He's like, I thought we could watch this as a family. I'm like, there's no chance in hell I'm watching this movie with Mom in the room. I can't have it right now. Are you kidding me? We're all gonna be surfing when Mom's squirting all over the goddamn thing, man. Watching Swayze and Reeves in wetsuits. She can watch that alone. That's dead time, goddammit. Squirting, yeah, that's right. That was a funny reaction. Squirting. That was funny to me.